In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping on Woocommerce. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your WordPress dashboard and how to set up a shipping option your customers can use at checkout. First, open your WordPress website and head to your dashboard. On the left-hand menu, find Woocommerce and click it. From there, select Settings. This is where all your store's core configuration lives, and it's the right place to manage shipping. Next, click the Shipping tab along the top. The shipping section is organized around zones which tell Woocommerce where your rates should apply. A zone can be as broad as an entire country or as specific as certain postal codes, and your store can have multiple zones to handle different areas. Click Add Shipping Zone. You'll see fields to enter your zone and the other data needed. Give the zone a clear name, like the country or region you want to serve, so you can recognize it later. Then choose the region or regions this zone will cover. If you need to narrow it down, add postal codes to make the zone more precise. The goal is to match how you want to charge customers based on where they're located. After your zone details look right, click Add Shipping Method. This is where you decide how customers in that zone will be charged. You can offer free shipping or flat rate. Free shipping is great for promotions or to simplify checkout. Flat rate lets you charge a fixed amount, which can help cover packaging and carrier costs while staying predictable for customers. Choose the method you want and then configure the basic options that appear. For flat rate, that usually means setting the amount you want to charge. For free shipping, confirm that it's enabled for that zone. Keep your pricing simple to start, and you can always refine it later as you learn more about your orders. Once you're satisfied, click Create and Save to lock in your changes. Saving ensures your new zone and shipping method become active and visible to shoppers in that location. To recap, you opened your WordPress site, went to Woocommerce, entered Settings, used the Shipping tab, added a shipping zone, filled in the zone details, added a shipping method, chose between free shipping or flat rate, and then created and saved your setup. That's all you need to add shipping on Woocommerce in a clean, reliable way.